So you want to become a more confident public speaker. You want to command more attention. Here are 3 quick tips. Tip number 1, modulate your voice. Across the world, we vote for politicians who have lower, deeper voice. We appreciate radio announcers and TV presenters who also have lower voice. And that's because over time, evolution has made us appreciate that those people who have lower and deeper voice are people who can command, can have authority, and can protect us from harm. Tip number 2, look into the person's eye. This isn't rocket science. The easiest way to connect, to show authenticity and sincerity, is to look into the person's eye. When we have a tendency to lie, when we have a tendency to invent information or look up for that information, you usually look upwards, downwards, left or right. And whenever you talk to someone and you do these kinds of gestures, the person easily thinks that you are lying or hiding something. Finally, tip number 3, when you're asked to deliver a speech, try to avoid reading it from a script and rather delivering it impromptu. When you're reading it from a script, you're gonna sound more monotonous. And rather, if you're doing it impromptu, your tone goes up and down, and therefore it's more heartfelt and more sincere. When preparing for that speech, use bullet points and phrases instead of writing it word for word. Remember that being good in public speaking isn't going to happen overnight. Remember also that practice makes perfect, and don't forget to surround yourself with friends who are going to provide that friendly feedback. Good luck, and I wish you the best. My third book, Single, Taken, or Building My Empire, is now available in all leading bookstores in Asia. For more information, log on to jonathanyabut.com.